The figure shows two identical quadrants with radius r. What is the area of the shaded part? Leave your answer in terms of r and pi. Note that the quadrants are identical to each other. There is the lower quadrant and there is the upper quadrant. We need to find the area of the shaded portion, that is, the area bounded by the blue lines. Since the two quadrants are identical, the straight lines on the left and the bottom will also be r. Draw a dotted red line from the center of the bottom quadrant to the top of the shaded area. The length of the dotted red line will be r, as it is also the radius of the lower quadrant. Note that the red dotted line and blue lines form a sector. The shaded area is parts of the sector. The area of the shaded area can be found by subtracting the area of the pink segment from the area of the sector. Draw a dotted red line from the center of the top quadrant to the top of the shaded area. The length of the dotted red line will be r, as it is also the radius of the upper quadrant. Since all the sides of the triangle are r each, it forms an equilateral triangle with equal angles of 60 degrees at each corner. Note that the red dotted line and blue curved line form a sector. The area of the orange sector is equals to 60 degrees divided by 360 multiplied by pi r squared. The orange sector is comprised of an equilateral triangle with side r and the pink segment. The area of the green equilateral triangle with side r is equals to root 3 over 4 multiplied by r squared. The area of the pink segment would be equals to the area of the sector less the area of the equilateral triangle. We now know the area of the pink segment. The other piece of information required will be the area of the pink sector. From the earlier equilateral triangle, we know that all the angles of the triangle are 60 degrees. As the shape is a quadrant, it is at a right angle of 90 degrees. Therefore, the angle of the pink sector is 90 degrees less 60 degrees. That will give us 30 degrees. The area of the pink sector would be equals to 30 over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. With the area of the pink sector and pink segment respectively, we can now calculate the area of the shaded area. The area of the shaded area would be equals to the area of the sector less the area of the pink segment. This will give us root 3 over 4 minus pi over 12 multiplied by r squared.